Hello everybody, welcome back to Spot Squad 45's gaming channel, and welcome back to Sons of the Forest, where, if you may notice, I have an entire gate around me. Oh yeah, and Virginia finally accepted being around here. I was doing some off-camera work just so I can get this whole thing done without needing to be recorded, because I think you guys may not have wanted to see that, but I digress. Oh yeah, and another thing we're going to be doing is actually looking for other supplies, like a shovel, a shotgun, other things. And the closest checkpoint nearby, if we look on our little doodad, is right up ahead. But I kind of want to go to a cave. So we're going to have to go that way for there, all the way back over there. Yeah, there are 5 caves around. Anyways. Heading to the cave in this direction. You know what? I'm actually gonna get my spear. Why are you still following? You're gonna die. I don't think they know. I don't think they know. I don't think they know. They know. They know. They know. This is like a Scooby-Doo episode where I'm just trying to be Shaggy and run the heck away from something. And Virginia's supposed to be like one of the masked figures. What's under the mask? Why do they sound like they're made out of metal when they shouldn't be? Virginia is just running to me. Why are all these guys hanging? I jumped on Bambi's head. Virginia's like a crazy axe almost. What happened here? These look like religious dudes. How close are we to the beach? Okay, we're close. Made it down to the beach. On the other part of my island. There's Virginia, the crazy axe. What's up there? Probably like a cannibal camp. I'm gonna check it out before we go down to that cave. Oh, that's perfect. Let's just keep exploring the beach. See if we can find that cave entrance first. We're fine, we're gonna die. Well, Virginia's not dead. Okay, we're close to the cave. Oh, that's perfect. Well, I'm gonna explore around a bit before we go down there. I kind of want to go down that way, and then explore the rest of the beach. Oh, that's more people. kind of a disrespectful thing. I'm gonna go down this route before we head back to the cave. Oh, that's nice. How your footstep actually make an imprint on the ground. Virginia left. Just like my wife. Just kidding, I don't plan on having a wife, nor do I have one. Definitely turning winter soon. We're gonna return there soon. Just wanna explore around. Well, this is great. I don't like how there's a slight fog in the atmosphere. Since it turns full winter, then we're staying at base no matter what. Granted, I spent one episode completely at base, but I also went out of the area just to go grab some more logs so that I wouldn't disturb the natural beauty of the place. Although it kinda did. Do we have they don't have different sounds for things you make? Okay, they do, but I mean for like shells and other things. I'm gonna get my trusty reliable axe. And I'm gonna turn my mic down. Alright, I'm ready to enter. I'm just gonna speed run through this place. Or 9mm ammo. Entertainment bunker. Huh. Yeah, I don't think that's the creepiest part of this. So I'm completely mute. Uh-oh. Oh god, they're coming after me! Nope. 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 Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. Get away, get away. Get away, get away, get away. Just keep moving, just keep moving. Cool, it works! What the hell was that? Oh, we found a taser, that's cool, but I am getting out of this area. Bye-bye. Please tell me I'm going the right way. I need to get some... No, no. I really need to get some NVGs. I'm out of here. Get out of the fucking way. Get away, get away, get away, get away, get away. I did nothing to you. Don't tell me I went into a full circle. Oh, no, I didn't. Get out of the way, you fuck. Please tell me they have rabies. Whew. Is this where we get scuba equipment? There's a motherfucking shark. Make the echoing sound. I'm gonna kill the shark first. Alright, the shark's dealt with, I think. No time like the present. We're getting out of here. The oxygen level is very generous. Glad we got this. I would have been expecting a little bit more oomph, more firepower. But it's fine. Okay, we went that way. We're going this way. Oh god, where am I? We're back, and I don't think that's one of our own. It's Virginia! Boy, am I glad to see you. We better be running. What? Non-naked people? Virginia, run. Calvin, what are you doing here? Hey, you! Oh, this is gonna hurt me a lot more than this is gonna hurt you. Let's get out of here. Well, at least away from the beach. Or at least away from the trees. We'll make a temporary camp out here. Perfect. Well, at least this is as temporary as you can get. It's like Virginia and Calvin are over there. Do I have a... Okay. I'm sure they're gonna come by soon. Hey, what's that? Those sharks? Let's hope that Virginia and Calvin are fine, relatively speaking. I don't stand by it. Because I like animals. Well, aquatic ones. Not so much for insects. Hey, what's this? Ooh. Me likey. Don't cut yourself. You're kidding me. Boy, have I not been... Yeah, I agree. Wait, where's Virginia? Where's Virginia? We'll rendezvous with her back at base. I hope she's alive. She's already following the plan. Nice. Yeah, first of all, get ready for winter. And I'm gonna try to keep you guys alive. So we got that cave done. Just cross it off the list if I have one. We're gonna take the shortest route back to camp. Virginia and Calvin should not be too far behind. The thumbnail, I think, is gonna be the moment where they straight up attacked me. The cannibals in the caves, if you will. They're headed back through the river. Not a bad plan, but we are thoroughly disconnected from the river. Trying to get back to camp as fast as possible. Canned food. You kill one, two more come, so it's just like the forest. I'm gonna close my map. kind of terrifying that we ran into some cameras. The last thing I'd like to see. There. So it's going to face this way. If that's the case, it's going to be... Okay. Hopefully this will solve all of our food problems. The fish thing did, but we also need another source. Too bad the army doesn't care about people like us. I'm gonna get rock storage eventually. I want to play Subnautica after this. Considering no matter what you say about it, it is a horror game just like this through and through. Hoping this won't catch the place on fire. Calvin's back. Welcome back, friend. I wonder. Sticks and stones may break my bones. Drop here when you find a lot of stones. I'm also going to be out on the lookout. Well, I'm also going to be building my base at the same time. I'm sorry. I really am sorry. My question is, do I get a... No clue what a crocodile does. I won't kill another turtle. Because I like turtles. That shit. This video was off to a neat start, but now I'm just kind of cowering. Which I am, but I'm also getting ready for when winter comes, because that's when food is going to be of top priority. Electric fence. Where do I get a battery? Window shutters. I do not have window shutters. Once Calvin returns again, I'll be asking that he acquire more sticks. I'll build a bed eventually. Not you again. Come on, Calvin, get up. Take a break, Calvin. I'm going out for a quick search party. I'm coming, Virginia. Oh, Mary. Come on. Maybe when I have another gun, I can give you it. Come on. We're heading back to base. Good, she's following. I know I didn't have to search for her, but I was compelled to. Virginia is still behind me. That's good. We're heading back to base as soon as possible. Up there's a no-no zone. I think from now on, I'm going to be keeping all the in-base construction off-screen and also some other tedious collectings. But I will save most footage for, like, this is where the fun begins moment. We're back at base, but it's covered in fog. Virginia? Calvin's safe. Virginia's coming. What are you? You're not Virginia. I'm sorry. Anyone else? I wish I could tell you what to do as well. Welcome back to Sanctuary. What through rocks? You're alive. Calvin's alive. Great news for everyone. I don't know, I have a can opener. But I can't eat these. What? What does a aloe plant do? What? I feel like I'm in near Vietnam, but it also feels like Tropic Thunder. Alright, well, I'm gonna cut this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure to subscribe and like the video. And I will be doing more exploring and a lot more building, and still trying to protect and make sure everyone here, Calvin and Virginia, are safe and sound, then they can eventually return home safe and sound. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.